Hi, my name is Luis Ramos. We're gonna make a Mexican-Cuban sandwich.
Explain the ingredients.
Alright, smoked pork, pork head, sweet cheese, adobo, red jalapeno, pickles, and mustard.
Alright, let's do it.
Alright?
Does your mom know that you have these tattoos?
Yeah,
Okay.
she knows. So mustard, pork, ham,
Nice.
pickles, adobo, peppers, and sweet cheese on top. Alright, we'll cover a little with the
That's a brick.
in the oven.
So is this like a Cubano?
Mexican Cuban.
It's a Mexican Cuban.
Yeah.
So it's a Mexibano. Smells good.
Yeah.
Looks good.
Look at that.
It's like Christmas.
That's the Cuban Mexican sandwich.
Nice. No lying now. What do you think? Yeah? Seguro? Yeah?
Yeah, very good.
What's the most important part of the sandwich? The Mexican part or the Cuban part?
I think the Mexican part.
Oh, that's good. Sandwich vendor.